If you care about your music at all, the last thing you want to hear is artificial garbage being pumped through your speakers. And if you don't have an ASD Delete kit from Beamer Tech, that's exactly what you're getting. Welcome back. I'm Dylan with Beamer Tech. Driving and music have become synonymous ever since radio started to become more mainstream in vehicles in the 1930s. But over the years, sound progressed from more than just a few speakers randomly placed in vehicles, but to a complete scientific and artistic industry from both the factory and aftermarket companies. However, over those same years, vehicle manufacturers have taken advantage of those sound system capabilities in ways we might not exactly want. Vehicle chimes, artificial voices, and for BMW, ASD.
First off, what is ASD? ASD, or Active Sound Design, is BMW Group branded vehicle talk for pumping artificial engine noises into your cabin through your sound system.
Sure, ASD has its place, with modern engines being much quieter and newer BMWs having such advanced sound deadening. ASD can give you that subconscious feel of performance. However, if you care more about the sound of your Spotify playlist than you do those artificial engine noises, well, ASD can be more trouble than it's worth.
While some newer BMWs allow you to change the intensity of the ASD, there rarely is an option to turn it off via iDrive. This in turn will mess with the music you're listening to. Even with the expertly crafted Alpha 1 speakers and amps, these engine noises will be played in tandem with your music, altering the auditory experience you should be having. And when compounded with the extra power from our amps, ASD can get dangerous for the woofers.
Thankfully, Beamer Tech has two solutions, coding and an ASD Delete Harness. Now, since this video is about the harness, I'm not going to get into too many details about which vehicle uses which, but a good rule of thumb is if your BMW Group branded vehicle has a pre-MGU head unit, you will be using the ASD Delete Harness. If your BMW Group branded vehicle has an MGU head unit, you will be using coding. Now, to find out which method is going to be working for your vehicle, give our sales team a call with your VIN and they'll find the right one for you.
You may have noticed I said BMW Group vehicles. This is because this method will apply to all of the BMW Group brands: BMW, Mini, Rolls-Royce, and like today, Supra.
While today we're going to be showing you how to do this on a Supra, the process is the same for any BMW Group branded vehicle where the harness is applicable. Now, you could easily do this yourself with our DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Tool Kit, but if you don't want to do it yourself, you can find one of our certified installers near you. We have them in about 30 countries around the world. And if you're in the Orlando, Florida area, well then stop on by and we can do it for you. Let's get to it.
You will have to remove some trim to get to your ASD module, and the location will differ depending on which vehicle you have. The location will be shown in the vehicle-specific instructions you get when you place your Beamer Tech order. Once you have access to your ASD module, you'll be ready to start. Remove the connector of the ASD module by pressing in the center tab and rotating the arm to release it. Now we need to reshell the connector. Insert a pick tool here to gently pry back the outer shell of the connector while slightly pulling back to stop it from snapping back in place. Do this on the other side, and the pin blocks inside will release. Now take the Beamer Tech ASD Delete Harness and do the same with the pin block in the teal connector. Once free, take those pin blocks you just freed from the Beamer Tech harness and slide those inside the factory ASD shell. After that, slide the factory ASD pin blocks you freed earlier into the teal Beamer Tech shell. Take that same connector and slide that into the black connector in the Beamer Tech ASD Delete Harness. Make sure the arm is up, place it in, and rotate the arm down to lock it into place. Take the other half and plug that into the ASD module on the vehicle the same way. Use cable ties to tidy up the installation.
That's it. That's really all there is to bypassing BMW's active sound design with an ASD Delete Harness by Beamer Tech, allowing you to experience your music the way it was meant to be. Of course, if you ever do want your ASD back, simply uninstall the harness. If you have any more questions about the ASD Delete Harness or ASD in your BMW, reach out to our sales team with your VIN and they will be eager to assist. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Mini, Supras, and now Teslas, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Well, head on over to our website and sign up for our newsletter. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.